Hello student, today we will discuss the new topic of the chapter, a light, shadow and reflection. To study the characteristics of images formed by a plane mirror, how the image is formed in a plane mirror, let's discuss. The light rays, when the light rays coming from the bulb travel in a straight line to the mirror. So what's line here saying, when the light rays coming from the bulb से जो भी rays आती है, it's travel in the straight line as the phenomena or the principle of a light. When it's incident from the mirror, it just reflect back. The light just reflect back. The mirror reflect these rays of the light rays enter into our eyes. The light rays seems to be coming from the point behind the mirror. So what we felt that the light rays seems to be coming from a point behind the mirror. जैसे mirror से पीछे की तरफ आ रही है. So we can see an image behind the mirror, but the bulb is not really there. We feel that the bulb is just behind the mirror, but really we see that the image form of the bulb is just behind the mirror, but it's not there. This is the image of the bulb in a plane mirror. How it's work, like we can see that the bulb rays incident on the plane mirror, and the plane mirror it reflect back the incident light or ray into our eyes, and what our eyes feel or felt that the image is coming from or behind the mirror. So what are the characteristics of image formed in a plane mirror? The first one is the image formed in a plane mirror is virtual. Virtual means it can be seen only into the mirror. It cannot be seen on the screen. This means that image of the bulb in the plane mirror is virtual. The second one is the image formed in a plane mirror is the same distance behind the mirror as the object in the front of the mirror. So the second property is the distance between the image from the plane mirror is the same as the image formed by the plane mirror, or the distance between the image and plane mirror. The image in a plane mirror is the same size as the object. So this real object, the image of that real object is same as the object. The image formed in a plane mirror is erect. Erect means upright. Upright means सीधा. So the image formed by a plane mirror of object is erect. The image in a plane mirror is laterally inverted. Laterally inverted means like whenever we saw an object, the image of that object on a mirror is just laterally inverted, मतलब ulta, almost just like a ulta. But the thing is that if we can see that in ambulance vehicle, the ambulance word is written laterally inverted, like ulta लिखा रहता है. But when we saw the words on the mirror, what we felt that it's really exactly written as an ambulance. So this is the phenomena, or this is the principle how the mirror works, that image in a plane mirror is laterally inverted with respect to the object. Where we can use the plane mirror? We can use the plane mirror at home to view ourselves. The second one is the plane mirror are used in making periscopes. The third one is the plane mirror are fixed on the wall of certain shops to make the shops look bigger. Now, this third one is periscope. Now student, I am giving you, this is homework. I am now explaining you how the periscope work, but you have to explain by your own. Like the periscope is a device. What's periscope? Periscope is a device which gives us a higher view than the normal. मतलब आपके जो views होंगे वो बड़े होंगे as a compared to the normal. The periscope work on the reflection of light from two plane mirror arranged parallel to one another. Okay, so I'm describing how it's work, and this is your homework to explain by your own and write it in your notebook. Okay, so when the light ray incident from the tree, अगर light ray coming from the tree, when the incident light coming from the tree and its incident on the mirror, here M1 and M2 are the mirror which are arranged in a parallelly way, parallelly में arrange है. When the light rays coming from the tree incident on the plane mirror M1, the property of the mirror is it reflect back. So it M1 reflect the rays light, the incident ray light reflect back to the M2 mirror, mirror 2 पे reflect होगा, and the M2 again for the M2 the reflected ray of M1 is for incident, again M2 mirror reflect back and the light reflect back is reached to our eyes, so we can see the image of a tree which is larger size than the real object. So for today that's it. Thank you so much.